Let me ask you something. How many times have you started over from scratch? New program, new team, new hype. You build, they quit. The program fades, and suddenly it's yesterday's toast. Here's the uncomfortable truth about online marketing. If you don't own an asset, you don't own your future. Teams disappear, platforms vanish, programs come and go. But one thing lasts forever: your email list. It is the most important money asset you will ever build online. And now, building a list doesn't have to be expensive, complicated, or time-consuming. The $5 list and traffic system is not just affordable. It's packed with real value. You get 20+ high-converting, leads leap capture page share codes, 30 full days of email follow-ups, dripping daily, 50% recurring commissions, and the big one, traffic is built in. Yes, real, hands-free buyer traffic included. No chasing, no begging, no rebuilding every month. You're finally building something that lasts. Stop starting over. Start owning your future. Get the free details on the $5 list and traffic system now, because long-term success belongs to builders, not quitters.